stop then. Yeah, cut the corner. Yeah. What are you doing? You're going against traffic.